Hello guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest analysis for this first day of May 2023, and this is valid until Wednesday, May 3. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Typhoon Preparedness Center, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Bank of the Philippine Islands, and Aboitiz Power. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GravSat issued today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. Today is a holiday, Labor Day, so there's no work across the Philippine Islands, but we have a visitor right now. A new low pressure area has formed to the south of Palau, over the South Philippine Sea. If you are monitoring this cloud cluster, this was once the remnants of tropical depression Wed-Thu, which became a surface trough or a tropical wave. And then for the past 24 hours, it redeveloped into a low pressure system, and it's now given a tag ID as 93W. So it's becoming larger, the circulation. Take note, larger systems tends to develop slowly compared to smaller systems. So this will take time before it develops into a tropical depression, but so far, based on the various reliable computer models, it is not expected to intensify, but we are all eyes on this system. It could become an active LPA as it approaches the northeastern portions of Mindanao, that's northern Caraga, Siargao area, and it will dump heavy rains and thunderstorms across Mindanao and the Visayas within the next couple of days, particularly by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, since it is a slow-moving rain system. Bicol region will not be spurred by this system, so we expect rainfall to affect our area beginning late Tuesday or Wednesday. But in the afternoon or evening, we expect thunderstorms due to local rainfall, localized rainfall or thunderstorms. So watch out for possible flash floods and landslides, since the risk of flooding and landslides are now medium to high across Mindanao and Eastern Visayas within the next 24 hours. So right now, it's still low chance of becoming a tropical depression within the next 24 hours. So we are closely observing this system, which is roughly about 760 kilometers east of Mati City, Davao Oriental. And just stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, across the Philippine Islands, hot, dry, and good weather will be expected with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over Palawan, some portions of the Visayas, and over Cagayan Valley and Ilocos region. There are some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over the mountainous areas of these regions. And over here, over Batanes, Babuyan, Cubab Islands, we have a shear line bringing some rain showers, cloudy conditions, and light to moderate winds from the northeast. So this will start to move away or lift away from Batanes after 24 hours as the stationary major front will start to move towards the northeast. And that's the latest. If we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. This is now the development of a new LPA 93W. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation for this afternoon, you can clearly see the trough bringing some thunderstorms already across Mindanao. And later on, tomorrow, it will also affect Eastern Visayas. So watch out for rains and thunderstorms that could generate some flooding in low-lying areas, just like what I've said. We are now in the neutral conditions, but the post-effects of La Nina will still continue until the month of June. That's why we have rain events happening every month until June in every other week because of these back-to-back weather systems. So stay tuned for more updates. Now, here's the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, valid for the next 3 days. So tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, May 2, the LPA 93W will move closer over the east coast of Surigao del Sur. And on Wednesday afternoon, that LPA will move towards the northwest and pass very close to Siargao, Dinagat Islands, and it will be over the coastal waters of eastern Samar near Giwan as a moderate or just a shallow LPA. And on Thursday, it will traverse Visayas, across Leyte, Bohol, Cebu, and Negros, and it could weaken into a surface trough or a tropical wave. Okay, so we are going to monitor this if for possible rapid intensification, but so far none yet based on the computer models, but we will let you know in the coming days. And here's the rain forecast for the next 3 days, and we will extend this until Friday since this broad LPA will dump heavy rains across Visayas and Mindanao and portions of the Bicol region. Tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, we expect the trough of LPA 93W affecting the whole of the Visayas, becoming more frequent over Eastern Visayas and the whole of Mindanao. And on Wednesday afternoon, it will extend across the Bicol region, southern Tagalog provinces, including Mimaropa, and becoming more heavy over central and eastern Visayas and also over Caraga or Davao region. And on Thursday, the slow-moving LPA will start to dump more heavy rainfall across Dinagat and Siargao Islands, including northern portions of Caraga, that's Surigao del Norte, and Leyte, as well as Bohol. And on Friday, May 5th, the LPA will start to weaken and dissipate, but there are still thunderstorms expected across Caraga, Misamis Oriental, and that includes Cagayan de Oro and portions of Davao region, and also Bohol and portions of Visayas will still have the remnants of 93W on Friday. So we will keep you updated in the coming days. If it becomes active, we'll be issuing YouTube video analysis every day. Okay, so watch out for that. If not, we will be back on Wednesday to give you more updates. From Typhoon2000, in partnership with Nang College Foundation, Typhoon Preparedness Center, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Aboitiz Power, and Avenue Plaza Hotel. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel.